Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best domino trays is probably one of the most sought-after accessories for domino enthusiasts, offering a practical and stylish way to organize your dominoes, making gameplay smoother and more enjoyable. Whether you're a seasoned player or just starting out, choosing the right domino tray can significantly enhance your domino experience, ensuring that your tiles are neatly arranged and readily accessible during gameplay, thus contributing to a more focused and strategic game. Number 5. Spin Master Wooden Domino Racks. It's time to play dominoes. These racks keep your tiles neat and easily accessible, so you can focus on the game, not on keeping your pieces upright. Made from solid wood, they're built to last. These racks are perfect for family game nights and will provide years of enjoyment. Whether you're a seasoned dominoes player or just starting out, these racks make the game easier and more enjoyable for everyone. Gather the family for a night of fun. These racks are ideal for Mexican train dominoes or any dominoes game. Create lasting memories with classic games. You can trust Spin Master for quality toys and games. These racks are no exception, providing a fun and organized dominoes experience. This set includes 4 sturdy wooden domino racks. Dominoes are not included, so grab your set and get ready to play. What we like. It's made of solid wood, ensuring durability. Each rack holds up to 15 dominoes, perfect for standard games. If you're looking for a classic, high-quality set for family game nights, this is a great choice. What people say. Made of high-quality thick material. They are painted perfectly and are easy to store in their case. The wood domino rack set has been an absolute game-changer for our family domino nights. The set includes 4 beautifully crafted wooden trays that make playing dominoes a breeze, especially when playing games like Mexican Train and other domino variations. These domino racks have significantly improved our gaming experience. They help to keep the tiles neatly arranged and prevent them from toppling over, which is especially helpful when playing with younger kids. It's made our games run more smoothly and has eliminated the frustration of accidentally knocking down tiles during play. Number 4. Wooden Domino Trays Set. It holds up to 35 dominoes, keeping them neatly in place. Perfect for Mexican Train or any domino game night. Made from solid wood, it's built to last. A great toy for kids and a fun game for adults. Easily view your tiles, focusing on winning instead of managing them. Great for both beginners and experienced players. It's ideal for family game nights. Enjoy classic games with family and friends. Checkers, chess, and more are available. Find the perfect game for beach days, vacations, or any gathering. This set includes 8 sturdy wooden racks for all your domino needs. Dominoes are not included. What we like. This set boasts a larger capacity, each rack holds up to 35 dominoes. It's also made from solid wood. If you frequently play with many people or prefer extra space, this is perfect for you. What people say. Well made, easy to use, easy to store. Holds a good amount, we use for family game day of spinners. These trays are so handy when playing Mexican Train dominoes. They are easy to store as they fit into one another. We had an old set of dominoes and trays. The new set were more streamlined and didn't fit well in the old trays. These keep them snug. Though shorter in length are 5 rows. Using just 3 gives better visibility than using all 5. Number 3. Yuanhe Wooden Domino Racks. These stylish racks are perfect for any domino enthusiast. They're crafted from high-quality solid wood, ensuring durability and a classic look. Each rack features secure, slanted slots to hold your dominoes at the perfect viewing angle. This prevents them from falling over, even with accidental bumps to the table. Measuring 9.8 by 2.4 by 0.7 inches, they comfortably fit most standard dominoes. Please check your dominoes' thickness before ordering, as they may not fit all types. With 8 racks and 3 channels per rack, you can neatly organize and store up to 240 dominoes. They're ideal for both gameplay and storage. These racks are perfect for game night. Keep your dominoes organized and easily accessible, making gameplay smoother and more enjoyable. They're also great for displaying your domino collection. Please note that as these are made of natural wood, minor imperfections such as knot holes and dings may occur. These are not considered defects. What we like. With 8 racks and slanted slots for easy viewing, it keeps your dominoes organized. It holds up to 30 dominoes per rack. If you need ample space and prefer a comfortable viewing angle, this is ideal. What people say. They are perfect sized for rummikub and a bit big, but serviceable for the Scrabble tiles. Easy to hold the tiles and with 3 slots, plenty or room. Enough holders for 4 players. These work well for regular-sized domino sets, especially when playing Mexican train game. Number 2. Queensell domino holders. This set includes 4 durable domino racks, perfectly sized for all your favorite domino games. They're handcrafted and fit tiles up to 0.6 inches wide, making game night a breeze. The soft felt bottoms protect your table from scratches and keep noise to a minimum. These sturdy racks won't slide around, ensuring a smooth game experience. These domino holders bring timeless fun to family game nights, sleepovers, parties, and more. It's the perfect addition to any gathering. Designed for professional-sized dominoes, these racks are ideal for Mexican train, chicken foot, and other classic games. They're easy to use and provide a comfortable playing experience. Made from solid pine wood, these racks are built to last. The smooth finish and sturdy construction ensure years of enjoyable game nights. We're here to help. If you have any questions, contact us, and we'll respond within 24 hours. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. The felt bottom protects your table, and its large size accommodates most dominoes. It comes in a set of 4. If you prioritize table protection and a large, comfortable playing experience, this is the one for you. What people say. It works great with our thin double 15 dominoes. These trays work great. While playing Mexican train, it's always hard to avoid knocking over and exposing your tiles. These trays keep everything upright and viewable. These are great for our Mexican train dominoes game, especially if you don't have an exactly flat surface to play on. These have worked wonders on it. Number 1. Wood domino rack set. These elegant racks are perfect for your domino games. Made of solid wood, they're built to last for years of gameplay. They're crafted from real wood, ensuring durability and a classic look. You'll enjoy using them game after game. This set includes 4 sturdy racks, each perfectly sized to hold up to 40 dominoes. They're ideal for various domino games. The slightly slanted slots make it easy to place dominoes upright or sideways. This ensures your dominoes stay securely in place. Each rack has non-slip pads on the bottom to protect your table and reduce noise. Enjoy a smooth and quiet game. These racks are perfect for Mexican train, chicken foot, and other domino games. Get ready for hours of fun. What we like. Each tray holds up to 40 dominoes, and the non-slip pads protect your table and reduce noise. It has 5 slots per rack. If you need maximum capacity and quiet gameplay, this is your best option. What people say. A must with any game to hold the game tiles. The dominoes fit great and hold enough dominoes for beginning a round of Mexican train. There is a slight tilt in the slats where the dominoes go, which is great so you can see what you have without tilting the holder by hand. Works great for my dominoes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.